On the side of Zencoder, I was working on a project called Video.js, and Video.js is an open source HTML5 video player. The original purpose of building it was to make it easier to work with HTML5 video in the browser and on mobile devices. When HTML5 video first launched, there was a lot of differences between how browsers would treat it. There were some bugs with working with HTML5 video in iOS, and so Video.js kind of smoothed out those issues, as well as provided an HTML and CSS skin that you could design just by modifying the CSS and customize and make it look however you want. So since then, Video.js has kind of grown over the last 2 years to where now we have a fallback Flash player. So if your user isn't using a browser that supports HTML5 video, it will fall back to the Flash player. And then on top of that, it also has an API to both the HTML5 and Flash side. So if you were interacting with video at the JavaScript layer, like if you wanted to create a button on the side of your web page that told the video to play, you could use JavaScript to tell the video to play in the same way with Flash or HTML5 through Video.js and not worry about which specific video technology it was using to play back. So with the Zencoder acquisition, it's actually an exciting announcement for Video.js, because whereas at Zencoder I had my own founder activities, I had marketing activities that were taking up the majority of my time, and Video.js was kind of a side piece that I got to work on. But with the acquisition, I get to move 100% over to working on the video player, and so we're actually kind of doubling down on that investment. It's still going to be open source and free to use, and so it's exciting that we get to keep it that way and just devote all my time to making it a better player and a better resource for people working with video in the browser.